Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sauron's helmet from the new Rings of Power. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Sauron's helmet, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll kind of leave some space, and we'll just kind of curve this line. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this line down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of color this line in for the eyes. So we'll just color both of these in. Next, starting here at the top of the eye, let's bring a little line that's just going to kind of come up on each side. And then right up here, let's draw a line that's just going to come down right to the eye. Same thing here. We're just going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring it right to the front of the eye. Next, let's bring a line in on each side, kind of at an angle. And we're going to bring this line in and curve. Kind of bring it in and then curve. We'll make this come to a point and bring this up. So just kind of come to the point and then bring it up. Next, we're going to bring this line up nice and tall. And same thing here, kind of bring this line up nice and tall. We're going to come down to a point and connect. Down to a point and connect. Right inside of here, I'm going to make kind of like this broken line, little oval shape. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up to a point about the same height as those other ones, and we're just going to bring this down. Draw a little line here and a little line here for some curves. I'm going to bring a little line in and down. A little line in and down, and we'll just kind of color these in a little bit. I'm also going to bring a little broken line or two down here for some detail. And also a little broken line or two down here. Kind of add a little curved line right there. Next, right above here, we're just going to curve a line up, and we'll just continue this and bring it down. Then right behind here, we're going to put a nice, big, tall, pointed line, just like this. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line out, and then down. Same thing here, out, and then down. Then we're going to curve this line down, and we're going to curve this line down. We're going to bring this line out, and then kind of curve it. Bring this line out, and then we're just going to curve it and make it try to match. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line down to a point, and then up. And then right inside of here, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this line down here. Then I'm going to bring this line out and then in, and then same thing here, bring this out and then in. Next, starting here, let's kind of curve a line in. Do the same thing here, just kind of curve this line in. Then we're going to curve this down, and we're going to curve this down. Bring this down, and we're going to put some little bumps on here. Same thing here, bring this out, kind of curve in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm going to put some little broken lines on here, and then some little broken lines on here. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line out to a point, and we're going to bring it in. Same thing here, we'll bring this out to a point, and we're just going to bring this in. Make this down to a point and up, down to a point and up, down to a point and up, and down to a point and up. Curve a line, curve a line. Curve a line, curve a line. Bring a line out here and up, line out here and up. Next, we're going to take this line out, and we're going to bring this line out. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then into a point. And then we're going to bring this line straight up and then kind of angle it in. Then we're going to bring this line all the way back down, and we're going to bring this line all the way back down. I'm actually going to make these points just a little bit taller. Now we have our basic shape. I just want to come in here and kind of add some of the different details. So some of the details are just kind of be like some little broken lines in some different spots. Even some little broken lines kind of right around here. Even kind of coming down. Some little lines right around here. Adding a couple little lines kind of right here. Bringing these lines all the way up. And actually even making these eyes just a little bit bigger. Adding details right around here. And then kind of just taking my marker, I'm just going to kind of fill in some of these little areas that are going to be a lot darker. Even all the way down to here, just kind of color some of this in just to add some detail. And then some more little broken lines all over. And just kind of darkening some of these lines here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Mask of Sauron. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.